It is a good day for football in Jamaica. Really, really good day. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. Really, really appreciate it, guys. Appreciate the support, appreciate the love. So let's keep the show going. Continue to make content. Continue to show about content. We have a lot to discuss still. But we have a good week coming up. As you know, schoolboy football are churning now. So you know that already. Anyways, let's get to the meat of the matter. We will be discussing Kaheim Dixon tonight. But before we get into that, I have to talk to you guys about the Knockins and MG Sports 1v1 tournament on August the 10th. That's Saturday coming, people. Make sure it's on the turnout. $1,000 to enter, 20 grand prize money. Just come show your skill set. Even if you're not thinking about the prize money, just come and show what you have, your skill set. It is going to be a day packed of full and fun and activities. Prize giveaways right through the competition, right through the day. Don't know anything already, people. Come and support. Check us on our IG, most definitely. You will see the poster all over the place. Anyways, let's discuss Kaheim Dixon. I'm supposed to put up the page on the something that's still now. So I could get that up. Let's get that up and gunning. So people know we already discussed this, right? Kaheim Dixon to Charlton Athletic, and apparently today, this day that you're looking at, Kaheim Dixon would have traveled to Charlton Athletic to complete his medical. Here we go. Kaheim Dixon on his way to undergo medical at Charlton Athletic FC. Well, we did break this story. Very, very interesting story. So the big smile upon the man's face. People, I'm happy for it. I'm happy for it. There is something that I want to discuss surrounding Kaheim Dixon and a conversation that I was having with someone in the diaspora about our local talents and when they make the move overseas. So, and I totally 100% disagree with what he's saying. And I think you guys want to stick around to listen to that, people. But before we do that, let's bring up also another aspect, what's going on at Charlton, because we did also discuss where the work permit is an issue. And let's see what they have to say here. Charlton Athletic kick off work permit process for Target as he flies in. People, when we see this, I felt really, really happy when we said this part of the article. I was so enthused when I saw that part. So happy, so elated, so everything you can think about when I saw that part of the article. Because we know that the work permit part would have been the difficulty. And apparently, the mere fact that Charlton Athletic is sorting this out gave me a bit of comfort. Say, you know what? They want to get this deal over the line. So I'm very, very happy about that 100%. Because we know that would have been the difficult part where this is concerned. So let's just get back into the article and let's read a little bit further. Let's continue. Charlton Athletic have kicked off the process of getting a work permit in place for Kaheim Dixon. We set to arrive in England today. Say hours now, so more than likely supposed to reach. Let's go. Let's continue. Addicts boss Nathan Jones wants more attacking weapons to take into the League One campaign, and Jamaica international Dixon is joining. Charlton have a deal in place with Jamaica side Arnett Gardens for the winger and are pushing to complete the capture. Pushing to complete the capture. All right. You notice that little part there is kind of putting a little blue mark. When I use the term the capture, it is basically stating that they value this player. They value what he has to offer. They really value what he has to offer, and they would they put in a category of capture, which may say no, say in their view, this is a good deal and good value for money, even though the fees are disclosed, Anyways, Dixon, who played in Jamaica in the Copa America earlier, who played for Jamaica in the Copa America earlier this summer, is set to arrive in England today. Charlton have kicked off the process of getting work permit in place for the 19-year-old. It is unclear how long it might take for the work permit to be granted. So You know, that's still, you know, so there's still a little bit of question mark over the duration, the length of how long it will take to acquire. Charlton will be open. There's no issues with Dixon receiving a work permit, but his outings at the Copa America should help the cause. No, you're going to know. This is a part that's important. Let's discuss this part first of all. No, it's outing for the Copa America. It goes to highlight how important it was to give this youngster the opportunity, or should we say a platform for him to be seen on the international stage. You're going to have people said, boy, it's not good enough, he wasn't good enough, all this. Even when he was selected in the Copa America squad, people were saying that he's not good enough for the Copa America squad, or he shouldn't be selected. They should have went for this player, they should have went for that player. And Al Grimson stick to his gun, selected the youngster, and based off the back of that, you see what happened. He was seen on the international stage by Charlton Athletic and said, you know what, we can do what they have. And you can think about it, right? Kera Anderson plays for Charlton Athletic. So imagine this, the club data analysis just having a watch, just take it, look, have a look at Kera Anderson. You know, whenever I get in minutes and see how well he perform and just taking their numbers. And when they look, they see another 19-year-old in the team. I said, this is interesting. Let's see what this 19-year-old has to offer. Interesting. He has some pace, really, really quick. He looks hungry. Has some good touches. Can we gamble on this 19-year-old? Let's see. And as I watch and say, you know what? Let's take a gamble on him. And here's Kaheim Dixon. Goes to show. Many might say, boy, and that them don't forget players. The local coaches, or that this a person do, or that the person or do, that the JFF do forget players nice in a national team so that they can get contract, so that they can sell them player. Let me tell you this, if he was not good enough to be in the national team for him to be offered or contacted by Charlton Athletic, I'm guarantee you, he wouldn't be there. And the mere fact that Charlton Athletic would have contacted the Arnett Garden for this player, it must have meant that they see something that they like. And it also must have meant that Al Grims himself saw something that he liked. And this is where we're at right at this moment with the youngster, Kaheim Dixon. Now, I do know that, and I do understand that there are other cases when we see other players in the national setup, and we can agree that they didn't set the team alight. They didn't set themselves. They didn't put themselves in a good picture. They didn't paint themselves in a good picture. Whereas another team or another club would gamble on them. But at least this time here on, we have seen that happen, and you'd have gotten the platform for him to spread his wing to further places. That's how the nature of the business. That's how football is. You hit, some are hits, and some are miss. That's just a part of the nature of the game. Anyways, let's continue with the article. I know people are going to cuss for that still, but you know, that's how things. So you go. Dixon is rated as very quick, and Jones will be hoping to be able to call upon him to terrorize the League One defenders soon. To terrorize the League One defenders soon. Yeah. Know about it, my boss. Know about it, my boss. Very, very interesting. Extremely interesting. Now, the other day, let me make it perfectly clear. He's from the diaspora. I assume that he's in the diaspora. Chris Smith was having a conversation in a chat. And we're speaking about Kaheim Dixon, and Chris Smith consistently keep on saying the Jamaican youngsters who would have gone overseas are not good enough, and that's the reason why they're coming back. And Kaheim Dixon, he said it himself that Kaheim Dixon, I know a good thing, you can't say a lie, me tell, I screenshot them. Kaheim Dixon, he not even have a screenshot because it was in the chat. Just go back on the video and you'll see the chat. It was on Jay Taylor show. Kaheim Dixon, and he said that Kaheim Dixon, boy, there's other players in the Charlton Athletic team who are youngsters who are better than him. And basically they're saying that, he must say that, boy, Kaheim Dixon is set up for failure. The mere fact. He's set up for failure. And he's not ready to make the move to Charlton Athletic because he's underdeveloped. All that kind of something there. And I have said to him, Now I say to him, say, what is wrong with a youngster from Jamaica getting an opportunity to prove himself? In the event, God forbid it don't happen, something went wrong and he come back to Jamaica. He is only 20 years old. It don't mean saying career end. Any youngster would have gone overseas and come back in Jamaica. It does not mean that their career end. Things might not work out well, we agree. But none of us actually know the circumstances. You can assume, people can assume that this is the case. Or this is what you think, but you don't know the facts. I find it very, very strange that there's so much persons sitting down, anticipating for some of our youngsters to go overseas. Big men me talk about, to go overseas, to see them come back in Jamaica. Justice said, I told you so. And some of these same big men are condemning the moves of these youngsters even before they make the move. And this is embarrassing. It's really, really embarrassing. And I don't understand where this mindset is coming from. The youngster he never get the opportunity yet. He never make the move yet. And the move is already being condemned by some of these guys. I could not believe. The last message I sent to him was, this is the last message I sent to him. Make it remember clear. Yeah. I don't understand how you are condemning a youngster on making a big move in his career before the youngster even gotten the opportunity. It's like you're sitting and waiting for that youngster to fail, to go overseas and fail. Then you can come and talk and say, yes, I told you so. Because that will satisfy your ego. Couldn't believe people. Anyways, some of them people, me I tell people, some of the same people in the group chats and WhatsApp chats or even in the YouTube chat, many of them people, they say that they love Jamaica to their heart. That's what they say. But their actions speaking is still saying a total different thing. There's no way you do not want to see a youngster out of the country get the opportunity. There's no way you would want that to happen if you say you truly love Jamaica. But, anyways, people, me I tell you, I want this work. Me really want this work. And I believe in him, said this is a big move for him. So, Kaheim Dixon, go and prove the doubters wrong. Go and prove them that they were doubting you and wasting their doubts. Big up yourself, Kaheim. Let's see, hopefully, as soon as the work permit start out and boom, medic's done, medical finish or something, done with thing go. Because a medical man today, medical man do today. Once that done and start out, we'll be doing another show again. Now, I'm excited about this one. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time. Remember, Knockins MG Sports 1v1 tournament, Saturday, August the 10th. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. Wonderful speaking to you guys again. God bless. Or out. Boom. Like, share, and subscribe, people. Know what I mean?